What's going on, guys? This is Lior and welcome back to my channel. What I thought I would do in this video is do another kind of video of a couple of sites that I have to stop by. I recently did a multifamily site visit video. This time I'm in Newton. I'm checking in on a couple of my single family developments. I've got two stops I wanted to make in on two of my projects here. So I thought I would show you guys what I'm, check out the site. I have to check in on progress anyway. So I thought I would show you guys the progress. So the first house we are at, I haven't done as much content about. This is actually a single family gut rehab in Newton. So this is actually my hometown. This is where I grew up. So I know it's an awesome street. We bought an existing colonial and we did a ton of work. We just finished up our rough right now. There's guys inside doing board and plaster, which we're gonna go check out. But you can see we've done a ton, right? The exterior, obviously new roof, siding, we did brand new hardy board siding, black Anderson windows. So we're giving this the full works. But let's go inside and actually check out what's going on. I wanted to see the progress of the board and plaster anyway. So let's go see what we got. All right, so welcome to inside the house. As you guys can see, we've actively got board and plaster going on. But just to give you guys a sense of the layout, we got our living room right here, our kitchen's in the back, and we got a nice little dining room nook here as well. This one I'm actually really excited about. This was our GC suggestion. You can't see it, but it's actually got almost floor to ceiling windows here. Makes it an awesome little dining nook. But you can see a lot of progress already. We recently finished all of our rough. We insulated, walls are up, and now we're going with plaster. So this house is starting to crank. Some other cool kind of details we're adding in here. We're gonna have a nice fireplace insert in here. It will probably a gas fireplace. So it'll be a nice kind of very traditional colonial, big fireplace in the living room. It'll just be a nice touch to a traditional but very modern home that we want to develop here. All right, so now let's check out the upstairs where the bedrooms are. So we did some maneuvering around here. So we got a couple of bedrooms, a common bathroom, which is a really good size. Now, one of the things that we did is first we created a nice big laundry room. I really like doing this in larger single family homes. We'll have nice side-by-side stackable machines, have a couple of shelving, right? So it's much nicer than maybe a traditional laundry stackable closet, right? Now, this is our master suite, and we basically combined two rooms to create this master suite. So this is the bathroom. And with the ensuite, you can see we're gonna have a huge double vanity right here. That will have tile behind it, so this will look really nice. Then we've got a pretty big stand-up shower right here, right? It's gonna be all glassed out. We've got a huge niche right here that's gonna be backlit as well, so it's gonna stand out. It's gonna have nice lighting behind it. So I'm really excited for the way this ensuite is gonna come out. Now, the way it will lay out is, this will be our master bed, right? So nice, very large size bedroom, good lighting into here. And then we carved out another huge closet, walk-in closet for the master. So you can tell this thing is massive. We'll probably build out some shelving. It's got light coming in from the window as well. It's just an awesome master suite. Now, in terms of the construction, you can see again, same thing. A lot of the board and plaster work is already kind of done here, which is awesome to see. We had to close up one of the existing windows, as you can kind of tell from this hole right here, right? And the reason for that is the way we're probably going to stage the master with the bed facing this way. So we thought it'd be better to close this wall off for that bed. So the master ensuite's looking good. Now let's go check on the attic, which we're actually finishing and made it look really cool. So let's check that out now. So one other value add opportunity we found in here was this unfinished attic. Now, a lot of the times attics can be very hit or miss depending on the ceiling height. This one's actually pretty good. I mean, we're not calling this a bedroom space, but you can kind of see, I mean, I'm 6'1". This is probably like just about 7 feet, maybe a little bit under. This will be an awesome office space or play space, whatever you want to call it. Now, the other touch that I really love, and again, I can't take credit for this. This was my GC's idea. This was all closed, right? So this, when we first bought the home, this was just an enclosed attic. And one of the ideas he came up with was to add this row of skylights. So you can see we have 1, 2, and there's actually 4 total skylights. And it just makes the room feel so much better, right? Like there's so much light coming in. Like if I was to live here, I mean, I could easily see this being a playroom. I could see this being my office. With the skylights, it just feels so much better. It's a huge now space. So it's value for the buyers. Obviously, it's value for us, right? Because we're able to create more livable square footage. So really just huge win-win situation. Full window sizes on both sides. So it really has become an awesome extra room, that I'm really excited for this house. All right, so now we are on stop number 2. We are stopping by this. One of my favorite pieces of property I've ever bought, honestly, this amazing brick Tudor. I absolutely love Tudors, and this one is just gorgeous. So I'm super excited for this project. We literally just closed on this maybe a few weeks ago. We just filed for our building permit, and we've just about done with demo. I'm about to check in and see what's going on there. This is going to be a full renovation of this existing home. Let's just get in here because there's a lot to point out, and I'm really excited about it. You can also kind of tell some of the unique features, like this custom wooden door that's perfectly shaped to this. We're actually gonna keep this door. We'll probably sand it down, make it look really nice, but this is so pretty. But welcome to this home. Wow, actually a lot of our demo is mostly done already at this point, as you can kind of tell. Our demos guys went to town, but this is a nice large floor plate. That we're, like I said, full renovation, right? And I'll give you guys a quick overview of what we're doing here. So previously this was a big living space and kind of like a weird, carpet down with not much going on. What we're gonna be doing is a huge kitchen all along this wall. Massive island is gonna be going here, and it's gonna flow into this nice, large, open concept space. It's just gonna be an awesome floor plan. We're gonna have an exposed central staircase. There was a wall here that we took down. I wanted to take this down and keep it nice and open so that it feels very flowy. Gonna have a nice large dining room right over here. Formal dining room. Again, this is a formal, very traditional brick colonial, or a brick Tudor, should I say. So we want to make it modern, but keep some of those traditional elements. And then that's good. And that whole back section there is actually going to be a giant mudroom because we've got a huge deck in the back. We're actually going to make a nice large slider over there. So we wanted to create a very nice and comfortable mudroom area so that when the family comes home, or they're hanging on the deck, they've got plenty of spaces to store things, put their shoes away, and just make it very, very comfortable for them. So let's go check out upstairs. I'll show you guys what's going on over there. This is, we got a lot of cool plans going on here. So welcome to the upstairs. It already looks super, super different. This used to be one bedroom. This bedroom that I'm walking into was a separate bedroom. We kind of just opened the floor plate up. And one of the things too you'll notice is there's a large attic that you can kind of see. Very similar to the previous project that we were just at, except the difference here is there's no staircase, right? The only way to get up to the attic is this pull down ladder. So what we're actually gonna do is right over here, build a brand new staircase so that, you know, and create a full suite upstairs, right? So we're gonna completely build it up from scratch. And there's gonna be a bedroom, a bathroom, and just a nice floor space on that, you know, attic space, which has really, really good ceiling height. But one of my favorite things about this is this is gonna be this was an existing bathroom, and we're gonna keep that existing bathroom. But what we're gonna do over here in this whole part of the house is a giant, absolutely giant master suite. The demo guys already demoed everything, but this is this is gonna be the master bedroom, and this is gonna be a giant master bathroom. We're gonna have a soaker tub, a huge shower, massive double vanity. I mean, this is just gonna be an epic master suite. The bedroom itself is huge. You can tell it's a massive bedroom. We're actually gonna cut off a wall right here, create a giant master walk-in for plenty of closet space as well. This is probably gonna be one of my favorite master suites that I've done yet. I am super excited about this one. Now, one other detail, I don't want to go into the basement right now because there's a lot of demo down there right now, but we are actually also finishing the basement completely. It's got really, really good ceiling height. So what we're gonna do down there is actually throw another ensuite, a bedroom with a bathroom. We're gonna have an office space and an entertainment room. It's basically the same floor plate as this upstairs, so it's a lot of space. So that's gonna be a whole nother part of the house. So total, what we're gonna have here is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a downstairs office, downstairs entertainment space, a huge mudroom, a formal dining room. I mean, this house is literally gonna have it all. So I'm super excited about this one. I'm gonna keep you guys posted about this beauty. All right, guys, we are on our final stop now. This is my final site in Newton that I'm checking on. This is our new construction, single family. I did a video about this site maybe a month and a half ago or so. But as you can see, we've done a ton of progress since then. When I was here last, there was literally just an excavated pit. We have now put up our footings. We are just now working on our concrete walls, on our foundation walls. So we are starting to roll. So actually just today, we had a wall inspection. So we are really, really rolling here. So we've got our footings, wall, utilities are gonna come in next. So we're gonna start to bring in all of our utilities in, start to work in our backfill, and hopefully we get to start to frame probably within the next 30-ish days, depending on how things go. But hopefully within a month and a half, next time we do another video, you guys will see like true, you know, we're gonna go up vertical with our framing. So let's go quickly check it out. There's a lot of machines and guys on site now, but just so you get to see a little bit of a closer view of the structure. So as you can see, a lot of progress. Most of the walls at this point are up. You know, the footings are obviously all set. So we're putting some, like I said, concrete guys are on site. We pass them. We're going through inspections, and yeah, hopefully we start to bring those utilities guys back on and roll right through this thing. So this is really looking really good, and we're rolling through this one. We're finally rolling through this one. So that's the progress on this site. I made some detailed posts on other platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter. If you guys aren't following me, make sure to check me out there. But we did have some issues here with water that we had to really figure out. So we ended up putting additional layers of gravel that we had to think through without losing too much finish height on our product. You know, we ended up working with our civil engineers, our architect, to really figure out the perfect scenario where, you know, we're not losing any height, but we're making sure that, you know, we're controlling the water as much as we can. We put as much preventative measures in the lot to really, you know, make this a great final product. So this is the progress on this site. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick progress tour of all my 3 single family developments in Newton. Like, as you guys can see, we're in different stages in each one, but we are making great progress on all of them. So I'll keep you guys posted with the progress, and I'll catch you guys next time.